Woke up this morning at about 5 o'clock. We have to go to the train station. Everybody's just now getting set up here, man. It starts early here. It's 5:30 right now. And they're just now getting set up. I wonder if this is like a... You shut up. I wonder if this is like a daily thing, or they get like at least one day off or something. Probably not, but... there's an app called Grab. It's similar to Uber, but it's for Asia. It's the Uber for Asia. So we're gonna grab a car to take us to the train station. The train station is probably, if we walked, a good, I'd say, maybe an hour. But luckily I looked on the Grab app and there were like 6 cars out at this time of day. So that's good. That's perfect. So that's what we're gonna do. Train ride is gonna go to Minh, which is like an 8-hour train ride, and then after Minh we have to get a taxi or a bus to Phong Nha National Park, where all the caves are. What thing? Oh no, that was pretty good.
Your elderly food.
Whatever. Oh, my elderly food is crazy. Okay, we just got into our Grab and headed to the train station. So this is gonna be about $1 for the ride to the train station. Actually, it's a little less. So yeah, it's not bad at all.
We just shoved our faces full of bakery pastries.
Yeah, matter of fact, we'll pay him in pastries because we have plenty. We just went to the bakery again this morning.
And got a whole bag full.
And, yeah, I got a huge bag full of pastries. But it's good. Like
the freshest pastries ever. Pretty much.
So yeah, we tried some last night. And it was so good. What was it? We some custard
donut
filled, whatever. It was good. Had yellow stuff in it.
Custard donut.
Custard donut. And it tasted so good that this morning we went and got a bag. But we also have an 8-hour train ride, so I don't know if the train's gonna stop, so we can like get off and get some food and stuff. Because sometimes trains will stop for like 20 minutes at particular train stations. So in case they don't do that, we got a bag full of pastries, which
get water.
is what I should not have bought because that makes you fat. Oh yeah, water. Well, it looks like we're gonna die of dehydration. This is the Ninh Binh train station. We are here about 50 minutes early. So we're gonna go gather our bearings in here.
You wanna hold on to the food, maybe?
I can hold on to the food. Looks like you're struggling. She's kind of struggling, but not really.
No, I'm fine.
I tried to show her how a Marine puts his pack on because that thing looked heavy when she was trying to grab it. She's like, no, it's harder that way. I'm like, no, it's actually easier that way.
Lies. That's lies again. I'm fine. It just weighs the same amount of speed.
Maybe not.
Pretty much.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, we can get some water. All right, so we came into the train station and it was just me and Vicky, but we have added one. We apparently have adopted her. Say hello. No, she doesn't like it. So they want us to take their child with us. to wherever we're going. So now it's me, Vicky, and the small child. But our train leaves, I think I already said this, in like 30 minutes now. Out there. And it's gonna be a long ride, but I got some beer, I got some water, and I might get a bottle of wine in there. There's a store, so you can get some. They do sell wine. I'm gonna see if they sell some Johnny Walker. Finally, after waiting, the train is approaching. Get back. Get back. But you see the train is approaching. Train. So we're looking for car number 7.
Remember to be humble.
I showed her a picture of herself. So she needs to be humble.
I just looked in the mirror and I look like fucking shit.
7. All right. Let's see if go in here. Let's go. All right. Where are seats? Oh my goodness.
Wow, this is really made for 20.
All right, this is gonna be a mess. Okay, all these people went all the way down the train.
Then the guy just coughed into my mouth. Literally in my mouth.
1 and 2. Oh my goodness, where is 1 and 2? It's us. This is 1 and 2? No, this is 1 and 2. All right, so we're getting some of these. I gave him some whiskey, rum. No, I got the rum. I gave him whiskey and brandy. And they just took the whole damn bottle. Not even a sip. They're just like, yeah, I'll take the whole bottle. So.
You want to ask him for a sip back? You want to tell him to take a sip?
I have video. I only have video. I don't have photos. You want to take a picture? Okay. This way. Now, now.
He wants to drink.
All right.
He doesn't want to drink with us.
No. So they want to take pictures. So we're taking pictures. All right.
Okay.
So we're all taking pictures.
Hello.
I think we're like an attraction because the beds are full and we have extra people. All right.
I think we're famous.
Biết rồi, nhưng mà bây giờ không có Khải bác ngồi trên em.
Good. Awesome. Taking more pictures. Which is cool. Maybe they think she's famous or something. I don't know. Because all the beds are full and we have 3 extra dudes. Okay, take a picture. Take it. Oh, we're taking more pictures. We're taking more pictures. All right. We'll take some. Yeah, we're the alcohol people. We're gonna take some pictures. All right.
Cầm chai rượu.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, they're definitely showing the whiskey there.
Được chưa?
Yeah, let's. Yeah.
Khai này, cắt.
Rum. Nice. Okay.
Nào.
Đi về đi nhá. Ê, đi lên này. Đi lên.
Pretty. Nice.
All right. So we took some pictures with everybody. Got my baby wipe the sweat off.
Yeah, we can always get more of this.
Yes, good pictures.
He's saying it's dark.
Oh. Okay, we've been here at this station for about almost 3 hours or so, something like that. And I just asked one of the guys, don't worry, the camera's getting it. I just asked one of the guys here what happened, and he said this train was derailed and it's gonna take 4 to 5 hours. Now we've been sitting here for 3 hours already, and I wish I would have asked him 3 hours ago what had happened.
You're a biggest fan.
Yeah. Because if they would have, if I would have asked him 3 hours ago that it would have taken, and he would have said it would have taken 4 to 5 hours, I would have just grabbed all our stuff and we'd have found like a grab or a taxi or something. But we've already been for 3 hours, so you might as well just wait it out like a couple assholes. Well, here's what we've been doing. I need to get more beer now. Some more Tiger. That was some sausage.
That's one of you on your YouTube.
That was another Tiger that I drank. And I already had a bottle of rum. Not that, it's like 8 ounces of rum. It's delicious. What do you have to say? You want to say hello? 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 What do you want to say?
Hello, YouTube.
Alright, after about 4.5, 5 hours of being stuck, we are moving again. We are moving again. You see that? You see that? That's us moving. But still, there's a couple other train rides. This isn't even close to the worst train ride I've ever been on. And if a guy named Smitty watches this video, he'll know what I'm talking about. But we're moving again. We got the movie playing, and we got about 3.5 or 4 hours left. We'll just go with that. All right, our bunkmates invited us to this car right here to eat some rice and to drink some vodka.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas, USA. USA.
Me, Vietnam.
All right.
Me, South Africa.
He didn't ask you.
He thinks we're married. He's like, I'm not talking to her.
He's like, we already know about her. So yeah, they invited us to eat some rice and whatever. I don't know. I had the Google Translate out, and that's what it translated to. Is let's go eat some rice. So we said, let's go eat some rice. So this is like the kitchen car or the dining car. And he brought me back that blended whiskey. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna.
Okay, we're being invited to another table.
Yeah, we're gonna go. I don't know where we're going now. We're going somewhere. I don't know, where are we going? Oh no. Are we sitting right here? Right here? I guess we're sitting right here. Okay, we're gonna sit here and we're gonna, because we still have we still have 2 hours, at least 2 hours. I think we still have about 2 hours left, at least, until we get to our destination. But this is the view. So there's just a bunch of rice fields.
Cô mày uống cái bia đấy có đi. Rồi anh bia này.
All right. So we got some beer. She got some Coke. They wouldn't give her beer. All right. Good. Yeah, they gave her Coke. She's not allowed to drink. I'm not sure what the traditions or anything like that is here with the women and drinking, but they gave all three of us guys a beer, and the guy went back and brought her a Coke. All right. Cheers. Okay. All right.
Đây.
All right. We're gonna do a
Very nice. That's actually
another
very
picture. We
nice.
did another picture, which is weird. Ever since we got on this train, we've been doing pictures with everybody. They all want pictures. All right. The food came out, and this is our food. It looks actually pretty good. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it looks good. Vicky's got her Coke because she's not allowed to drink. I don't know what those are, and then we're gonna dig in, see how it tastes. But you guys don't get to see. I gotta put this thing up and talk to these people. I gotta tell you, as far as the train goes, this has got to be the best meal I've ever had on a train. The food was good. They brought out this stuff extra. It has some meat on it. I don't know what kind of meat it was. And obviously, it had pretty good company also. I mean, we don't speak English, or they don't speak English, we don't speak Vietnamese. But the Google Translate app it works wonders. So if you don't know a language, download Google Translate app. And I think it does a pretty good job at translating. Like when they say something, it comes in a clear, sentence. And then when I say something, apparently they understand it. But no, I don't. Now he's trying to give me some vodka. No, I have whiskey. They keep filling up my glass full of whiskey, beer, and vodka. And sometimes it's mixed, like it doesn't matter that there's already beer in there. They will throw whiskey in there also. And it doesn't matter if there's beer and whiskey. They'll put vodka. Okay, let's go right here. Empty. Oh.
Mấy kia là uống rượu đấy, rót rượu trong rượu đấy.
He just want me to finish it. And he's gonna pour me some more vodka. Good deal. Good deal. So, I'll say we're about 2 hours away from our destination.
She's smiling at me, eating. Very nice.
I'm about 10 pounds bigger now. And did I tell you they love to take pictures of us? On this whole train ride, they just want to take pictures. Pictures. See, now I get to record. I'm recording. I'm recording you. I'm gonna record you taking pictures. Pictures. Take pictures. Yay. All right. And that's what Jesse. Oh my God, we got another one. He's joining the party. Join the party.
Oh, that's cute.
What? Yes, here. Hey, I'll cheers you. Boom. Cheers. 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 Yeah. Cheers. Oh. Look at that view out there. Real quick. This is facing towards the coast. That's facing inland. So we can't really see the coast yet. I don't know if we'll ever see it where we're going. Maybe if you go further south than where we're going. But this stuff is pretty delicious. All right, these guys, they want me to eat this pepper. I ate already one of them, a red one. He said that it was hot. And it wasn't so hot, so he gave me this one. So I'm afraid now, but we're gonna try it.
Không thưởng thức cái rượu à?
Yeah. That says vodka.
Cái này vào này. Đây, cái này vào.
It's not so bad.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit. My stomach's not gonna like this in about
Chụp làm bảo này.
about 5 hours. Oh.
Đấy, chụp thế là
Oh, that's hot.
Tôi có kéo thôi.
Photo shoot time.
Dạ vào.
We doing a photo shoot?
chụp nhiều điểm và nhung ở đây để không gây được.
These guys love pictures.
Được chưa?
Oh. Oh, that's hot.
Want some water?
Yeah. Goodness. Oh, fuck.
Chết vào này. Ngoài ra. Nhiệt đương nhiêu mà thế.
Oh, God. No.
Bay là con cháu của anh vậy.
Đây, phải nhé.
He was giving you vodka?
Yeah.
It was more chili?
Vodka.
Oh, God. All right. It's a big drop. All right. After nearly 13 hours on this train that was supposed to last only 7, we are getting off on Minle, and we are getting off to a volleyball game. I guess, yeah, right here. There you go. So now we still have to go find a ride to Phong Nha. See if we can get everybody's looking at us. Hey, you guys play volleyball and let us go find a taxi. Anyway, we gotta go find a taxi. This looks crazy. Okay, I can call a taxi. I don't know. Where's the taxi? No taxi? Huh? What? What? Oh, right here? Okay. So we're gonna wait here. Wait, she said taxi? Yeah, we're gonna see how much. Cause I got the SIM card. I'll just call. I was googling taxis around here. I'll just call the taxi company. Huh? Yeah. Well, we'll see. All right. So this lady over here said that a taxi will come and we just sit down and be quiet and shut your mouth, which is the same thing as be quiet. Well, yeah, we have to find a ride to Phong Nha National Park, which I think in a taxi is gonna be about 30 minutes or so, maybe less. I think it's only like 20 miles away, but the roads may not be that good. But yeah, I think it's like 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so.
I'm gonna miss that train.
What?
I'm gonna miss that train.
Oh yeah. There's the 13-hour journey. It's supposed to be 7. And these girls out here wondering like, why is he recording us? It took us about an hour to get up here to Phong Nha in the taxi because he decided he was gonna drive about, I don't know, half the speed limit the entire way. But we're here. We made it. It's almost 11 o'clock at night and we've been traveling since about 8:17 and we've been up since 5. So now we're gonna go to Hair with the Dog or Andy's, which is just down the street, and I need to keep talking because there's a song playing and YouTube doesn't like songs, so I gotta keep talking, and then I think we're good now. So now, yeah, we're gonna go find this bar.